tour and just like a tour of my horse trailer. I hope you guys like it. It's just raining out and there's really nothing else like to upload, so hope you enjoy. So right now I'm about to open up the horse trailer and I'll show you my dressing room to start off. We're now inside my dressing room and I'll show you around. So here's a quick pan of what you see right when you walk in. You see there's chairs right there. I got my saddle rack. Got a table for horse shows. I have this fabulous organizer thing from Walmart. And inside of here is brushes, lead ropes, halter repair stuff. I got food in this one. And down here I got like tissues, my show go bag, and paper towels. Right here is, we always keep these guys. We have binders for each of our horses which hold like their coggins and everything like that. We just have Thunders and Excels in here because we trailered them the most recently. So this black container right here, and this gray container just looks pretty casual, but inside of them, each of my things is storage. So we have like buckets and sweat scrapers in there. Also has a nice comfy stool to sit on. And this mountain block has a hairbrush, mints, and a towel in here. The mountain block is a pitchfork. And this is a broom. And it just keeps it nice and safe so it doesn't sway in the trailer. And these, you might wonder why I have a coffee container in here. It is a nice holder for sweet feet. These here are my saddle racks. They have zebra felt on there, and it is literally just held up by command strips. So, very easy to make. And under this black thing is a kit for trailer breakdown. Probably my favorite thing in here. It's like a little shoe cubby, but it holds like reins, baby powder. I have show touch-up, which is like a must-have for shows. This is fly spray. Got wipes, soap. I got basically everything in here. Like, here's show crops. I got a schooling crop right here. Over here I have halters. I have a rope halter, big lead rope, and in here is my show bridle. You can't forget my duct tape mirror. Now the lights for my trailer is this. There is one light right there. This one is burnt out, so we don't use that one anymore. All the other ones I have in here are battery powered. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know it was a little boring, but how can you make a trailer tour exciting? So stay tuned for next time. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Hunters Do It Best. That is Hunters_do_it_best.